We continue with example 14. Find f. Limit as x approaching negative infinity for the function of 3x plus 1 divided by square root of x square minus with 2x and plus 5. Solution for g. For this question, we must test the function first, by substitute the value of x with infinity. And we get infinity divided with infinity. So, this is an indeterminate form, or we may call it I, D, F, as a short form. In order to solve the limit with this kind of indeterminate form, we need to simplify the function by dividing the numerator and denominator by the highest power of x from the denominator. The highest power of x from the denominator here is 1. So, our function will be divided by x, which is 1 over x divided by 1 over x. Since this limit of function has a square root in the denominator part, we have to modify our multiplier slightly. This is because we must simplify the function that has a square root in the denominator part. One more important thing here is, since this limit of function x is approaching to negative infinity, our multiplier must be in negative value. And it becomes our function of limit multiplied with negative 1 over x, divided by square root of 1 over x square, like this. Please bear in mind that these two types of multiplier are same in values. You may test it by yourself. Then, we need to simplify this function before we finish with a limit. And it will be like this. For our function here, we can combine the product of the square root in the denominator part, like this. And please keep negative sign in front of the limit function. After that, we can substitute the value of x with infinity. And it is found that the result is 1 divided by infinity, and 2 divided by infinity, and also 5 divided by infinity. And please remember back before this, in subtopic 7.1, g, in our tips, that is, when any number is divided by infinity, the result is 0. So, our function will be negative in bracket 3 plus with 0 divided by square root of 1 minus 0 and plus 0. And our final answer will be equal to negative 3.